True.
Yes, it's your. This will be your video. 100%. I'm not even gonna be in it. I might be, but.
Ready?
Yeah.
I'm Quinn. We got the Thunderbird here today, which is our 92 Thunderbird.
It's a 91.
91 Thunderbird, whatever. And I got some seats for the car, which they're actually kind of nicer than the car, to be honest. But we've had to get creative with mounting them into the vehicle. And so today, we pretty much are 90% done. They're bolted in. Jared got some adapter plates off of eBay that have worked really well. He's been able to retain the power controls for the driver's side rails. The passenger side is completely mounted, and that rail works as well. But we have one point here on the seat down in here that we need to get creative with. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna weld that to the rail here. So let's do it.
First step when welding on a car, disconnect the battery cable.
So we need to get this in here welded up. So I'm just gonna lay some bead between the seat bracket and the seat rail.
Tell us what you're using.
We're using a Lincoln Electric, I guess it's a MIG welder. I don't know. I brought my arc welder with me, but it doesn't plug into the shop outlet, so kind of screwed there. So we'll do the best we can with what we got. And I'm gonna try and lay some in here too. And then I think we'll be good. That's solid now.
We'll know if you sit in it.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to see if there's any other points that I should tack on.
All of it.
All of it?
But
I kind of had the same idea.
I mean,
I can kind of get underneath.
hold on. Can you can.
Here, you want to hold?
No, but I mean, look, so first, I don't know if it'll help or not, but like you see right there.
Right where? Here?
Yeah, like grind that off and lay some bead. I don't know if you want.
Sure.
It's not gonna hurt.
It's painted. It'll be a good shot.
Quinn, water! There's water! There's water! It's on fire! It's on fire!
Oh my god.
I didn't film all of that because I wasn't ready for it.
That's what happens when you clean with brake
It's the brake clean that just caught fire.
I need a breather.
Well, yeah, it smells real bad too. So Quinn, tell us what just happened.
All right, lesson for everybody out there. I was cleaning the seats off with a little bit of brake cleaner, and I guess it didn't all dry up before I went in for the weld, and poof.
This could be our best video yet.
It was so suspenseful with you yelling.
I was excited more than I was worried. Well, yeah, you're shaking it, and it's shaking the,
The whole thing.
yeah.
Shaking the car.
All right, well, pull everything out for a minute.
Man, these things really hug you. Seem like it's solid? I'm kind of wiggling a lot back and forth.
I don't know, shake it a little more. Yeah, you're shaking the whole seat.
Seems solid.
It's solid as much as this project is gonna be, man.
I mean, we have here.
Yeah, you're not shaking it at the spots where the welds are. You're shaking it further down.
Well, it's going to be impossible to recreate what we're going to see on a rallycross course just sitting in the car as well. So that'll be the true test of integrity.
Well, yeah.
Look at that, I got out right away. And so that wraps up our seat install in this car. Everything feels nice and solid. We'll put it to the test once we get out on the rallycross course. Hopefully that happens soon with everything going on. Everything's been kind of postponed for a little while. But yeah, can't wait to get this car on the dirt. And if you got a fast car, you better bring it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm going to link a couple more videos that if you like this one and you made it all the way to the end, you're going to definitely like these. So watch them. Also, that middle button right there, I think is probably, you know, somewhere in there. Hit that button to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more action.